Well, hello everyone. Thank you for joining me here once again for another video. Today we don't have a face intro, but we are already down on the table. We are set up. I am going to show you, before we begin, the dry painting from my previous video. I went ahead and I embellished it, so I want to show you how that turned out. You may have seen it on my post under the community for YouTube, but I want to show you. So take a look at this. Look how gorgeous it turned out. I am in love with this. My favorite part about this is this top piece, this corner here, because you can see how it comes above the lines here, above the frame, like on one side of the line coming across the top, the border, and then it overlaps both lines at the edge here as it fans out. I love it. I think it gives it a very cool effect. Tell me what you guys think about this one. I am going to top coat it with resin, so it's still not finished. But if you're interested, please don't forget you can reach me at elsasgallery@gmail.com and inquire about the piece. So this is finished. Almost just needs the top coat of resin. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Also, I want to ask you, all new viewers, if you like what you see, click the subscription button. Don't forget also to click the notification bell. That way you're notified anytime I have new content, okay? And today we are working on a 12 by 16 inch canvas. We are going to do a color split, and I'm going to show you the colors we're using. So this one is Turquoise Green by Amsterdam, and I added a hint of black, so it has that smoky effect. Very beautiful color, okay? I am going to pour some into my cup just to control it better as I layer it on the canvas. Easier to pour out. So that's all I'm doing. And then I'm using Titanium Buff Light by Amsterdam. And again, I'm doing the same thing. It's just for control purposes. That way it helps me pour it out easier. Just at least to get me started. So those are the base colors. Okay. And let me just quickly put my gloves on. Okay, there we are. So now I'm thinking composition. What do I want to see? So I want my green color at the bottom, and I'm thinking more like a V shape. Yeah, okay. So that's what we'll do here. Just like that. See, and it's easier to pour out of the cup than the big jug. So that's why, the only reason, in case you're asking. I'll leave it right there. And now this one. And I'm going to go ahead now and speed you guys up while I just flood the canvas. We'll be right back. Okay, so here we are. And now we're going to go ahead with the colors. First color we're using is Quinacridone Crimson by Holbein. Take a look how rich. And this color, you have to be very, very careful because it will take over. And as I layer my colors down, I do want to come down the line here like that and back up. And I do want I am adding, this is the same titanium buff light. I do want some of this color on the blue side. So I just grabbed my squeeze bottle, and I am going to put an edge along the blue on the other side, or the green. So here, only because I want some of this color to come over to this side. Just like this. I want that border. And I also want that border coming this way. Okay. And why not? We could try it on the other side as well. What you think about that, guys? We'll add it on this side as well. Let's see. Just a little hint of it, because it doesn't want to come down like, just like that, I guess. And the other side. Just like that. I just want that color to kind of come over. I don't want that separation completely of the colors. There. That's interesting. I like that. Next color I have here is Deep Turquoise by Winsor and Newton. And I'm double guessing myself. Well, yeah, it's green. This is blue. You can see it. It stands out. It's different. Okay. So I was already second guessing myself with the colors being too similar. But they're not. So it's going to work out. I hope. If not, hey, we'll figure it out together. That's okay. I wonder how this would look just to blow out this two together and forget about adding anything else. Maybe on another video. Next color I have is Iridescent Red Blue by Pebeo. I love the color. It's like a shifting blue pink. So I can't leave this color palette without this because I really love this color. So we'll go ahead and add it. How beautiful. You see the Holbein, how it's spreading out? That's what I mean. It takes over. We are adding a little bit of 24 karat gold by DecoArt. Just a smidge of gold. Okay. This is looking gorgeous already. And last, I have Peacock Pearl by DecoArt. I haven't used this often. So okay. So there is the color palette. My colors are down. We're going to go ahead and torch the bubbles out. Okay. And then we're going to go ahead and blow this one out. And we're going to be starting right up that way. I love this. I love, love, love this. Wow. This color combination does create gorgeous cell reaction. I'm going to just go ahead and pull this in here. Just like that. And I am going to pull this in as well. I'm creating some negative space in there because I think it needs that negative space. Gorgeous. Okay. So I open up the space there. I'm going to do the same here. Continue to just open up this space. Okay, beautiful. I don't think there's anything at all that I want to do here. Guys, this is gorgeous. Love the color palette. This is absolutely stunning. Wait till I take you in to see this one. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna torch it out a little bit. Just popping out those air bubbles. Okay. All right, so let me clean up the edges and I will bring you in for a close-up. We'll be right back. Okay, everyone, so here she is. Check out this beauty. So look how rich. Look at the explosion of cells, multicolor cells here at the bottom with the green base is. Look how beautiful that Holbein comes through, and that iridescent pink or blue pink by Pebeo. Look at the lacing in here. And that 24 karat gold, absolutely beautiful. Look at this. This is unbelievable. I love the reaction that the paints had. Look at that beautiful. It looks like like something out of space. Look at those cells. Love the pop of colors within the cells. Love the lacing, the border of these petals. They're just beautiful. The petals have like rich color palette. I love how these colors work together. I love the lightness that the titanium buff light brings to this painting. I'm super happy with how this one turned out. Give it a thumbs up if you like it, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click the notification bell to see when I have any new content. And give it a thumbs up. Tell me what you think. Do you like this color palette? Do you like the reaction the paint has? Leave your comments. I would love to hear from you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.